Hello, I'm John Strohmeyer with Strohmeyer Law. Today we're answering the question, what is probate? Well, I get this question a lot because people get confused about it. Probate is the legal procedure that we use once a person has passed to determine who is entitled to whatever is left of their assets. So there are four big things to think about, or four steps that we like to think about. First, we want to determine who those beneficiaries are. Now, this can take two shapes. Either there is a last will that will direct who receives assets, or there isn't, in which case we're going to need an heirship, spelled H-E-I-R-S-H-I-P, not A-I-R-S-H-I-P. That's going to give us the range of beneficiaries who are going to be entitled to property from the person's estate. Second, we're going to have an executor or an administrator appointed by the probate court. Now, that person's going to be legally responsible. They're going to have a fiduciary duty with respect to the assets of the decedent. They're going to have to collect all those assets and determine what debts there may be, because that'll be the third step. Figure out those final debts and final tax debts and make sure that those get paid or dealt with appropriately. Finally, the last step is going to be distributing whatever assets remain to the beneficiaries of the estate. So, 4 steps to probate, which is our process for cleaning up and tying up loose ends for a deceased person's estate. Step 1, figure out who those beneficiaries are. An there's a last will, we follow the last will. If there isn't a last will, we're going to follow the rules of Texas intestacy through an heirship process to determine who is entitled to the assets. Step 2, the executor or the administrator of the estate is going to collect the assets and prepare an inventory of the estate so everybody knows what is in that estate. Step 3, they're going to deal with any final debts, including any tax debts. And finally, after all those debts have been resolved, they're going to distribute the assets of the estate. So it can be a more complicated process. We haven't even talked about what litigation can do to confuse and make this a longer process, but this is a good overview of what you can expect. Thanks for watching. Remember that nothing in this video was specific legal advice for you. If you have a question and you need something tailored to you, you're going to need to talk to your own attorney and not trust some talking head on YouTube. Liking, commenting, or subscribing to this video will not create a legal relationship with me or with any other attorney. Thanks and have a great day.